Hello, welcome back to danceranch.net. Okay, East Coast Swing Level 3. Yes, Level 3 Amalgamation. Now this is going to be really fun. It's got a lot of stuff in it. So what I want you to do is I want you to watch our first run through, okay? And then we're going to come back the second time and we're going to break it down to you nice and slow. Here we go. Two-hand hold position, okay? So we go. Yeah, I know, right? A lot of stuff. A lot of spinning, a lot of turning. So let's get to it. Now, you'll notice this beginning starts kind of like the level 2 in a way, all right? Now, the difference is that we're not going into anything but an inside wrap to an outside underarm spin. So we've got a basic, rock forward, inside underarm spin, but you let go here, outside underarm spin, and do a rock step, okay? Now, at this point, we're going to actually keep the hand slightly up shoulder height, so we're going to go over, back over our head, inside underarm spin, but changing hands. This is a component that actually is used in other dances. It's called the samba. I'm going to grab the wrist, my right hand to her right wrist, overhead first, and then change right here. It's one time, one deal, free spinner, triple step. Now at this point, I don't want to grab with my left to her right, which is a very popular thing to do. If you do that, start over and go back into the wrap again, okay? But other than that, do a little train hitch, what I call a palm to palm, if you will, almost. But the lady's hand stays flat. The guy takes his palm and goes to the outside of the hand, grabbing that. We do a right to right, rock step. And notice I'm going toward her again. Now, if you go away from her, so be it. That still works. But I go into her if I want to. Now I'm going to get her into the sweetheart. Sweetheart, boom. Cool? Now, once again, on this particular step, when I go here, or if I go away, what I want to do is I want to bring her to my right side, sweetheart position. I'm not going to move a whole lot. Now this may rotate slightly depending on her momentum and what you do, but you want to stay in front of her so that way she gets the picture and you get the idea that you're not letting her go anywhere else, but just in front of you, okay? So it's a rock step to your right. Now, it's on the shoulder, left hand's on the shoulder here as well. Take that right hand back over her head for an outside underarm spin. Quick, slow, rock step, or triple step if you will, rock step. Now you're back to the right still, but on the other side. Cool? Now, from here, we're going to do a sweetheart walk to outside underarm spin. So it's the same thing, except this time you get out of her way, kind of like on the outside rail. She comes up, passes you, but you walk the next two, okay? You're inserting two walks, okay? So you got rock step. Again, that's forward or back, doesn't matter, okay? Now when she comes into this, you're gonna bring her to the sweetheart, get out of her way, boom, there's the first walk, okay? And then do a walk after that. And then you're gonna go outside underarm spin, triple step, rock step. Very good. Now, you're back on this side. We're going to go into the whip. This is one of the variations that we have. Now, in this particular whip, we're going to do like a little cutoff whip. You'll see that in West Coast Swing when you get to it. But just right to right, we do a rock step. We're going to turn her, and we're going to go all the way around to her in front. That means a triple step all the way around. Ladies do a half spin. Grabbing the shoulder, left hand comes up, eye level, okay? Now, we're gonna rotate. This is where the walk, just like the sweetheart, comes into play. You got two walks. Walk, ladies, and then do a spin over her head, gentlemen, ending with the rock step. And walk, triple step, rock step. Cool? You're in an upside down hand position. What do you want to do? Just easily go for an underarm pass or a triple, come out of it. Cool? All right? So, there you have it. Go through it again. This is a good thing about video, right? You get to rewind and slow down at your pace as much as you need to. And then, if you need more intel, okay, more content, understanding, go to the lab, okay? Each individual pattern is broken down for you like on a private session. Cool? Go back to that. A lot of detail. And once more, ladies, we've mentioned this before, spinning's a big deal. We have a drill for that as well in there. So go to it, have fun. We'll see you back for the next video.